if you are looking for a really, really good sucker for your baby, this will do the trick. It comes with a container and a plug-in for the USB, so you can plug it into any USB that you have to charge it whenever it does need charged. I have been using this. My baby is 8 months now, and we have been using it since she caught her first cold when she was about 2.5 months, and I was very, very nervous about it, but it worked out great. It does come with, comes with this attachment that is currently on it, and then it also comes with a couple different ones, 3 in total. But you can choose which one would suit you best. I think one of the best parts about this is when you do turn it on, you're able to go to different levels if you need to by just clicking the fan. And the noise itself may be slightly terrifying, especially when you're using it on an infant, but it works great, and luckily my daughter did well with it. But you can adjust however you need to. The amount of charge that it has is right here, and then if you need help with a little distraction while you are attempting to do this, you can actually turn on a light, and that will help when it actually goes here, so that it's kind of the line of sight for them to hopefully be a little bit distracted and not trying to pull away from you while you do it. You can turn that off, or you can also turn on, it's got some music. If you can, let me stop talking for a second. Music that will help if you need it. But yeah, I would say if you are looking for a really good automatic one, this is your go-to, and it's also very, very easy to clean. All you have to do is just unscrew the top part, and then again you just unscrew this and you go and wash it and put it back together. And the same thing with the top comes right off, so all you have to do is that, and you just make sure that it stays on, and you'll be able to feel it. But this is definitely a go-to.